Hi, my name is Dr. Jay Shahangan. I'm a board-certified pediatric dentist over at Scripps Pediatric Dentistry. I'm going to share with you guys my thoughts on mouthwash. I do get asked all the time, Dr. Jay, how do you feel about mouthwash for kids? So I have picked out the more common mouthwashes that I've seen on the shelves. The first point I want to make is there is a difference between adult and children's mouthwashes. Basically, don't use adult mouthwashes. Okay? Now, when it comes to the children's mouthwashes, we do have some variety. They tend to come in different flavors. Bubblegum somehow ends up being a very common one. Most kids don't do so well with minty mouthwashes. And most of these mouthwashes have essentially identical active ingredient, and that's basically sodium fluoride, which happens to be the same exact ingredient you find as your active ingredient in toothpaste. So the only difference is its dosage. The mouthwash tends to have about a third of the concentration of the fluoride as you will find in a kid's toothpaste. So effectively, you're using the same thing, just diluted so the child can swish it around. Now, most of these mouthwashes will say don't use it for children 6 and younger, and that's because they don't want the liability of a child swallowing that. And of course, the liquefied form, you can put a bunch in your mouth and end up swallowing it. So those are the reasons for why we don't commonly advocate the use of mouthwash in children. Now, if the ingredient is the same between mouthwash and toothpaste, and the mouthwash instructs us to swish around for 30 seconds or 1 minute, depending on which one you're reading, spit out, and don't rinse, drink, or eat for 30 minutes so that the fluoride can sit on your enamel, then if we just brush our teeth well, spit out the excess toothpaste, and not rinse the excess fluoridated toothpaste off of our teeth, aren't we getting the same benefit except one less step? I would say we are, and APD also recommends the same. Now, there are also some products that you will find which are combination 2-in-1 toothpaste and mouthwash. Now again, this is from the adult side of the aisle, not the kids, but that idea is not super foreign or unique for me. And in fact, that's how I brush my children. After we're done brushing, they spit out and we don't rinse off the excess. They go to bed with a coating of fluoridated toothpaste on their enamel. There's another feature worth mentioning, which is some of these children's mouthwashes have the benefit of staining debris and food particles, plaque. And so a child who brushes and then uses a mouthwash can see, and it can demarcate areas where they left some plaque or some food particles behind. So that may be a nice feature. In short, I'm not a huge fan of mouthwashes, especially with kids that may be prone to swallowing. I rather have the children brush well with fluoridated toothpaste, spit out the excess, and leave it there. If you have any other questions or have any comments, please feel free to share. We are happy to do more videos for you.